I want to talk to you about ikas omnichannel commerce software. And the question is this tool really worth it this year? So here's an overview I want you to really think about. When you think about ikas, I want you to think about scalability. I want you to think about comprehensiveness. I want you to also think about efficiency. So ikas omnichannel commerce software is actually a comprehensive and integrated platform designed to help all kinds of businesses manage their sales and marketing efforts across multiple channels. Okay, so hence the word omni-channel. Okay, and what we love about this software is that it really provides a seamless and unified experience for our customers, allowing them really to interact with the brand through various touch points such as online stores, mobile apps, social media, and physical stores. So this really epitomizes the omni-channel aspect of ikas. And ikas actually enables you to streamline your operations, improve customer engagement, and drive sales by providing a consistent and a personalized experience across all those channels that I just listed a little earlier. And with features such as inventory management, order processing, and customer relationship management (CRM), ikas omnichannel commerce software empowers you to effectively manage your omnichannel strategy and stay ahead in a very, very, very competitive retail landscape. So this is when you think about ikas, think about a next generation e-commerce platform designed to actually empower all kinds of businesses to establish their online presence easily. Okay, and the interface is very user friendly, so we love that a lot. ikas has done a great job in making sure that the UX and UI in their software are really fantastic. So ikas allows you to set up your online store in just 3 simple steps, eliminating the need for technical expertise. So as a user, you can easily upload products with the option for bulk product uploads, ensuring that you have a swift transition into the e-commerce realm. So if you are coming from if you're coming from a brick and mortar experience and you want to have an e-commerce experience, basically ikas allows you to have this real fast. So with ikas, starting an e-commerce venture is streamlined, efficient, and fast. So that's really important to really specify here. I want to talk to you about pricing here. I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is the pricing for ikas as of the date of this show. And we actually tried to get the prices in US dollar, but we were not able to find out. But just like the starter, they charging you 25 euros, just round it out to $30. The hero, they're charging you 69 euros, round it out to $75. And the all-in-one, they're charging you 199 euros, round it out to $220. So that gives you an idea of what the pricing is. That so 35, 75, and 225, 220, 225. Okay. The cool thing about ikas is that you can see that ikas is really affordable. So from an affordability point of view, ikas is really it's really a good option to think about, right? And you also have, on top of that, you have a free trial. So that's really good. So you have a free trial, and you want to really avail yourself of that free trial. So you want to test out for 7 days the ikas omnichannel software to see if you like it, to see if the capabilities fit your needs, right? Now there is no free version though. There is a free trial, but there's no free version. Okay, so just be aware of that. And so the hero plan actually adds, like when you think about the starter plan, you have SEO optimization, and you also have sales reports. The hero plan costs, as you saw, $75, adding features like customizable products and social login. And the all-in-one plan integrates marketplace and offers advanced sales tools. So the cool thing is that all plans include lightning-fast e-commerce websites and unlimited product listings. Local taxes apply anyway. So that's kind of cool in terms of functionality. I want to show you a second screenshot. Basically, what ikas is doing here is that ikas is really helping you in terms of not only setting up your online store, but also taking care of the back office. So they have they have a logistical back office, so they can actually help you do easy shopping. Easy shipping. So they'll take care of your like your drop shipping or your logistical aspect of your business. So that's kind of cool, especially when it comes to scalability. We love that a lot. So we think that ikas omnichannel software is best for e-commerce, like e-commerce platforms that want to really scale real fast. So we recommend this tool for startups, for small businesses, for medium businesses, for large enterprises. Okay, for freelancers, not really. For nonprofit organizations, not really. For personal ventures, not really. Unless you really have the transactional volume that can justify paying $25 or $35 per month for this kind of software. Okay, in terms of deployment, ikas omnichannel software can be deployed actually via the cloud. So it is a web-based, it is a SaaS deployment. You have a mobile Android, mobile iPhone, mobile iPad. Right now, they do not actually do a desktop Mac, desktop Windows. They do not do that. They also do not do on-premise Windows, the on-premise Linux. But if you are willing to pay for the on-premise deployment, ikas doesn't have a problem actually sending a team to actually get it done for you. Okay, but it's one of those things where they just choose from a cost management point of view not to really offer that type of on-premise deployment as of yet. And one thing I need to mention here is that ikas actually is a German-based company, so they're based in Germany, and so it's a company that, but they have been in business for a while now, so they're not really a newbie there. But even though they're based in Germany, they have offices in the States, they have offices in Canada, they have offices, of course, they have offices in other countries in Europe, they have offices also in Australia and also in South Africa. So this is a global company with global ambitions, really. But what we love about ikas is that they are actually adding new functionalities all the time. I'll speak later on about the features. Yeah, you can see that they have a large array of features, okay, that can really help you go from zero to hero real fast. And again, we are actually we are within the omni-channel e-commerce framework, right? Omni-channel, so multiple channels, not just online, not just offline, but also through social media and so on and so forth. So that's really it's important to remember that. So let's talk about the features here. So what are the top features you can really think about when you contemplate buying from ikas omni-channel software? Well, you have project management, you have time tracking, you have resource management, you have financial management. So that's kind of cool, especially from a scalability point of view. We love that a lot. And you also have CRM. So let me break it down for you. So when I speak about project management, ikas provides tools for project planning, task management, and team collaboration. So when you think about that, this is a project management exercise there, right? As a user, you can create and assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress in real time. You also have time tracking. So ikas allows users to track the time spent on different tasks and projects. And this feature, in our view, helps all kinds of businesses monitor productivity and build clients accurately. So ikas is not just an e-commerce solution. They go way above that. Okay. You also have a resource management capability within ikas. So ikas actually helps businesses manage their resources more effectively by providing tools for scheduling, resource allocation, and capacity planning. And what about financial management? Well, ikas offers the features for budgeting, expense tracking, and invoicing. And users can create and send invoices, track payments, and generate financial reports. So that's kind of cool. In terms of scalability, once again, this is really fantastic. And also, what we love a lot within ikas is that the CRM part of things. So ikas includes customer relationship management tools to help you manage your relationships with clients and prospects. So as a user, you can track interactions, manage leads, and analyze customer data. So the thing is that when we speak about CRM, don't expect ikas CRM to be kind of similar to Salesforce or PopDrive or Zoho CRM or even Money.com CRM. No, it's not really that deep. I mean, the level of depth and breadth is not where it's not similar. However, it still has a decent features when it comes to CRM. So that's what we love a lot. You also have a reporting and analytics. So what we love about iCast is that you have a tool that provides reporting and analytics to help you track key performance indicators and make data-driven decisions. And you're going to need that because if you are having an omni-channel software solution and you have actually an e-commerce, let's say an e-commerce site, you want to really have a clear idea of what's working or even what's not working, right? It's actually the delta between what's working on one end and what's not working on the other. So you want to have this granularity, this level of granularity. You got to have that. And also when it comes to iCast e-commerce channel, e-commerce software, we love the integration. And this is a great feature to really highlight here because the iCast really integrates with a wide range of third-party tools and services, including accounting software such as QuickBooks, communication tools such as Zoho, campaigns, and project management platforms such as Monday.com, right? So you have that native integrations. So that's kind of cool. I just want to specify the fact that you can have this integration also through the API to the API calls that iCast is going to make available to you. You also have a mobile app. So iCast offers a mobile app that allows users to access the platform and manage their tasks and projects on the go. So from a scalability point of view, from an efficiency point of view, from let's say from an optimization point of view, we love that a lot because it allows you to actually concentrate your efforts on store management, but also on omni-channel marketing campaigns. So that's kind of cool. You also have customizations. So iCast can be customized to meet the specific needs of different businesses. So users can create custom fields, workflows, and reports to tailor the platform to their requirements. So that's kind of cool, especially when it comes to giving you the resources that you need to actually make sure you have the right omni-channel software. So that's very important to think about. So when you close your eyes and think about iCast, I want you to think about a tool that offers a comprehensive set of features to help businesses streamline their operations, be online, improve productivity, and make informed decisions in the long run. So whether it is e-commerce, whether it is marketing, whether it is project management, resource allocation, financial management, or CRM, iCast software provides the tools and capabilities to actually support a wide range of business needs. So, and that's really good. One thing you need to really remember when you think about iCast is that basically you have a unified commerce platform right off the bat. And this is really important, okay? And because you have a unified commerce platform, you have the ability to actually streamline things from the get-go. You have also inventory management, so that's really important to really highlight, and this is something that we love a lot. You have also order management. So order management allows you to really include all kinds of possibilities. That's really important to think about. You also have a CRM that I've already spoken about. You have e-commerce, website, and mobile app development. So actually, iCast allows you to have that also. And this is kind of important. You also have something that we love a lot within iCast. That's actually the offline data collection. And this helps you a lot really in terms of scalability. So because you can see what works and what doesn't work. And you also have a GPS and mapping capabilities within iCast, okay? And you also have other tools that I want to really remember. So you have a barcode and QR code scanning. You have a photo and signature capture, compliance and audit tracking, customizable notifications and alerts. You have a user access control and permissions. So that's kind of important to really think about. You have API for custom integrations, and you have training and support services. So that's kind of cool. So what is the value added here? When you think about iCast, what is the value added? Well, iCast adds a lot of value when it comes to the activity dashboard. You have customizable branding. You have the drag and drop, the email marketing. That's kind of important. Inventory management. I mentioned that before. Order management, SEO management, shipping management, product search and filtering. That's kind of cool, especially if you are trying to streamline the product search and filtering across multiple channels. You have payment processing, returns and refunds, customizable templates, checkout processes, reporting and analytics, social media integration, and you also have customer service That's really fantastic. Now, what we love about ikas is that ikas really wants you to really be present on multiple geographies. So that's an important element. So for that, you have some value being added in terms of multi-currency, multi-location. You have template management. You have cataloging, categorization. You have API. Of course, we mentioned API a little earlier, so that's important. You have also shopping cart integration. You have POS integration. You have multi-store and also kitting. So that's really cool. Let's talk about feedback and integration. So overall, when you close your eyes and think about ikas software, we love the fact that most customers love the scalability that ikas brings to the table. Okay, here is a here is software that's really scalable. Here is software that instills a layer of granularity into your e-commerce marketing solutions. So that's kind of important. And in terms of integrations, you have integrations to the likes of Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Tableau, ArcGIS, QuickBooks, Slack, Dropbox, Box, Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, Microsoft Excel, MailChimp, Trello, Evernote, Survey123, Smartsheet, HubSpot, and Asana, among others. In terms of alternatives to ikas omnichannel software, you have a lot of players. So you have Accumula, you have a Better Commerce. By the way, we have actually finished we have finished a review of Better Commerce. So if you're interested in this software, you might want to go and watch that video. So we have an in-depth review of the tool. You also have Cloud Commerce Pro. You have Commerce Studio by 1440. You have Demand Stream. What the list I'm giving you here, you're not going to hear Shopify or BigCommerce or WooCommerce because we are strictly focusing on omni-channel commerce software. Okay, so Demand Stream, e-tail solutions. We have Find, InCommerce, Luminous. We also have Net STL, OmniChat, Pipe 7, Pipe 17 rather. We have Salesfloor, Sell in All, and you also have Weather solutions. So that's kind of cool, especially when it comes to scalability. You will love that aspect of things a lot within ikas. But so, do we recommend ikas at all? Definitely yes. We recommend ikas. ikas is a great tool to actually try. We recommend it, and we actually think that ikas can really help you, especially from an omni-channel perspective. Okay, here is a tool that's decently priced, so not to really break the bank. So we love that, and you are able to go online real fast. And also, the ikas has a team of representatives that can really help you go online real fast. So that's really good. So this is the denouement here. So into this conversation, I spoke to you about ikas. I gave you the overview, the pricing, the features, the value added, the feedback and integrations, the alternatives, and now the denouement. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.